Jim, revision, upper lower, right? Upper lower, fixed. Okay, and he's going to go to more upper lower fixed. He needs prosthetic space. He needs more implants. He's got some bone loss, but he just doesn't have enough prosthetic space, right? And these prosthetics are getting old. Okay, everything's deteriorating. So what are we doing now? Now that we have learned all this, we are going to upper lower micron mapper scan, tissue scan of micron mapper scan bodies. And again, I'm not showing the micron mapper scan bodies in these iOS scans. Just scan them, the actual scan bodies, right? And then scan the prosthetics upper lower bite. Take the prosthetics out and scan them 360. We want that for stacking, for visualization, confirming tissue position, all that. Okay. Send us some nice photographs. He's been in a removable prosthesis for a long time. We got to check the overjet. We got to check the lip support. All right. So we're going to go through a full planning session with Jim, and we're going to make sure that what we're planning for is good. Now, the upper, he already has some implants. And so what we decided was we're only going to add pterygoids and one implant in the back, and we're going to use the existing implants. He was happy to hear about that. And then the lower is just a full redo. We need the space, and those implants, we needed more AP spread, and we needed some more implant. If you get my meaning, we needed more implant. All right, now this is something to watch out for. See, this is another reason that we remove these prosthetics, is because we don't have the trajectory, the position, the room to get the tools in, right? The handpiece is going to hit the teeth in the posterior on the left images. And on the right image, we're trying to get an implant underneath the prosthesis. It has to come out. But you don't want a tissue-supported guide. Not for pterygoids, not for a dental savvy patient, and not for going between implants. We want to screw it down. All right. And again, that upper, it's not expensive at all. It's a simple surgical guide. We only planned 3 implants. We just did a little bit of extra work to allow the vortex screws to go in, but not that expensive for the upper. More like traditional surgical guides, right? And you need the precision. You need the balance, right? You need the balance of engagement, left, right, screws, torque it down, hand tighten it down, and then go to surgery. All right. So again, nice engineering. He walked in with this and walked out with that. And he's solid after a long time with old prosthetics that really needed some love. I mean, how much better is that now? Much more solid. All right. Kind of went through this. It's the same thing as the other case. So you have to, the reason we take these out is for making space. All right. So just a little wrap up on what the records are and what we did. So we went from left to right, traditional scan bodies, a few different kinds, whatever's in the drawer because it was working. And then we said, you know what? Let's do photogrammetry because you have the micron mapper. And then we also can do Grammetry. Those are the arch bridge scan bodies, but we can work with just about any of them. There's about 15 of them on the market, and they will all work for this. We're not looking for metal to metal final restorations, zirconia to metal. We're looking for really, really close, and the Grammetry scan bodies will do that for us. Right. And then just lastly, so we can do some questions. I hope that everybody sees that there is a nice avenue to revision cases, because if you're in full arch, they're going to walk in the door, and you want to be able to just plug them right into a protocol. So we have these checklists. You can, at the end, I have my contact info. just send me a message. I'm happy to send them to you. And this will just walk you through it. Fixed, removable, whether the removable prosthetic has metal or no metal. That's different. That bottom left one there is for metal-based overdentures. You can't take a CT with them. There's just too much scatter. And then grammetry, photogrammetry type cases, depending on what you're presented with. Metal-based restorations or zirconia. All right. And then we could spend a bunch of time on record still, just dialing in the little details. But we can have a phone call about that anytime. Happy to take calls. I even stuck my cell phone in there. If you want to call me, you can always text me a picture of something you got going on. We love it. I love it. I love talking about it all day. And we pretty much have a solution for you.